All right. Hey, Don and Ryan. My name's Brandon, and I spoke with, I believe it was Ryan earlier today, and he had me go ahead and send this over to you guys. So I appreciate you being generous with your time, and I hope that this serves as valuable and helpful information for you guys. So what I'm doing is sending out some custom videos to some local small business owners. I'm a small business owner as well. And I am just trying to give some valuable information in Q4 so that people can take this and run with it here going into 2023. So I won't take up much time at all, and I appreciate you guys watching this. Hope it's valuable. So what I've done is I've pulled up your website here, and I'm going to compare it to Littleton Air's website. And the reason I chose Littleton Air is because I just typed in AC repair in Littleton, and they show up on the top three. They show up second in the map pack, and they show up second in the organic listings. So I wanted to show you what they're doing to be able to get that done, and then also show you what your guys' website looks like and the analytics behind that to kind of compare and contrast and give you some things you can do to improve your presence there. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So Google bots or crawlers crawl Google like 24/7, and they're looking for a handful of different things. And one of the first things they're looking for is for a home page that has at least 1,500 words on it. So your home page appears to have about 750-ish words on it. So that is the first place that I would start, is I would add more content to your home page so that you can get it up to 1,500 words. Now, obviously, the number of words is important, but what's more important is the actual content. So we want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your entire site. So these are keywords like AC repair in Littleton, Littleton AC repair, Denver furnace repair, whatever services you guys offer in the various service locations. That's kind of where those are the words we want to target. So what I've done is I've pulled up your analytics here on a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and let's just take a look. So, yep, top shelf, here's your information. So it shows you have 46 keywords currently, and along with your backlinks, which I'll get into in a moment, you're only getting about 20 people to your site per month. Now, this number oftentimes is underreported, so just keep that in mind. It could be 3, 5, 10 times more than this number. It really just depends, but it is all relative when you're comparing to other companies. So keep that in mind. So you have 46 keywords. Littleton Air right here, they've got 220 keywords, and they're gaining about 276 people per month to their site organically versus your guys' is 20. So I would, if I were you, I would figure out what keywords these guys are using, and I would go after the same ones that are high volume words. So air conditioning repair in Littleton, they're number 2 on ranking, and it gets 60 volume. Now, the higher these KD numbers are, the more difficult it is and the more expensive it is to rank these. So keep that in mind. I would not necessarily go after HVAC Littleton, Colorado, because that has a high KD. But there's, strategies to this. But I just wanted to show you that they have more keywords than you guys do, and that could be a big reason why they're outranking you. One thing you can do also is you can save your photos as keywords. So that's pretty decent, actually. I don't think anybody would specifically type this whole thing into Google, but you guys almost have the right idea there. So let's see what this photo is saved as. Yeah, so you can, so that's not bad. I would almost take the dashes out and make that exactly what the keyword phrase or words are. But that's a tip that you guys can use. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. And it looks like you know all about backlinks because you have a ton of them and a ton of referring domains. So, but as you can see, something is wrong here because you're not getting any traffic. So you have 15,000 backlinks from 2,300 websites. Littleton Air has 1,400 backlinks from 155 websites. And along with their keywords, they're gaining, on just under 300 a month. So what this tells me is, well, first of all, let me tell you what a backlink is if you don't know. So a backlink is anywhere your website is linked to another website or blog or guest posts or anything that can drive traffic to you from a link. But not all backlinks are created equally. Quality backlinks are so much more important than the quantity. And that might be what's going on here. You might be getting too many backlinks too quickly, and they may not have much quality to them whatsoever. So that's kind of what I'm concerned about here is you have so many of these, but it's not gaining you guys any traffic. So there's some research that has to be done to figure out what's going on exactly. But the idea is that you have as many quality backlinks as possible, and it's much more important than the quantity of backlinks. You know what I mean? So that's the second thing, is to really just make sure you hone in on quality links. And then the third thing is, how do you get ranked into this map pack right here? So you want to have more citations than whoever is in this top spot. So what a citation is anywhere you can put your business name, phone number, and address into a directory, and that would be considered a citation. So if Rocks Heating and Air has 200 citations, you want to get at least 250 or 300 citations so that you can dominate them there in that space. And that will help you get into that top 3 spot in the map pack. Okay. So with that's all I have for you guys. I hope that this was valuable information and that you can take this and either run with it, or if you need help with it, please feel free to text, email, or call. I'd be happy to kind of go through what your goals are and figure out if we are a good fit to work together. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.